This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Shelley Kelly. New construction. Don't miss the chance to own this exquisite single-family home in the highly desirable Rolling Hills community of Ocala. This home perfectly combines modern elegance with cozy charm, offering high ceilings and a spacious open floor plan with ceramic tile flooring throughout the entire home. The kitchen featuring sleek quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and a spacious island. Your primary suite with tray ceilings, complete with a spa-like master bath, vanity with double sinks, and a walk-in shower with separate soaking tub to relax. Step outside to your private outdoor oasis set on 1.14 acres, minutes away from the World Equestrian Center. For more information, review the details below or contact Shelley Kelly.